This is a nollie on a finger skateboard. In this video, I'm going to show how to do a nollie on a fingerboard. To start off, a nollie is just an ollie, but off of the nose of the board. By popping the nose down and then the back finger levels the board out, the board pops into the air. To start off, you want to find the correct finger positioning. And to do so, you want to find the pocket of your board. This is going to be right in front of the bolts. And every board is going to be a little bit different, so it's important to kind of pop the board with just your front finger, and the board should, for the most part, be pretty controlled and just pop up and back down when you find that pocket. And you can play around by moving your finger closer or further away from you, but for the most part, it's going to be right near that front screw. Another way to find the pocket of the board by looking at the side of the board and running your finger directly up in front of the front screw. Right where the board kind of rises up and your finger hits is where the pocket's going to be. And the back finger position is just going to be right around in the middle of the board, but closer to the other side of the board to kind of level everything out, balance the board when you pop. And you can play around with your finger positioning. It's important also to keep your fingers a little bit bent, and I like to use the tips of my fingers, which is a little bit more challenging than using flat fingers, but for a nollie is definitely the best way long-term to get your best nollie pop. Keep in mind with all the different shapes and sizes for boards that each setup is going to be a little bit different for finding that pocket. And some boards are going to be better to pop with both fingers a little bit closer to the center line of the board going long ways, while other boards are going to be a little bit easier to pop, having them a little bit further apart to kind of counterbalance when you pop. And another really good tip for getting the best nollie or pop is keeping your grip tape clean or cleaning the grip tape. And fresh grip tape is the best feeling, but the second best is having clean grip tape. Once you have the basic idea of how to pop the nollie down, you'll want to start rolling into the trick, then pop the nollie and roll out. And just practice this maneuver of rolling in, popping, and then roll out, trying to get it more controlled and cleaner. And once you have this down pretty good, next step is to add an obstacle to the mix. And this will allow you to get a little bit better height as well as control with the trick. That about wraps up the nollie tutorial. If you have any other questions, comments, or tricks you want to see tutorials for, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out my other tutorials as well as fingerboard videos and subscribe for my newest videos. Until next time, peace.